Today I have another new hair topper to share with you. This one is from UniWigs and it is the top secret silk top human hair topper. I'm wearing 12 inches in the color Vanilla Butter Blonde. You can see how beautiful all of this highlighting and shading is, and the silk top is very natural looking. This is 130% density and the cap size is 6.5 by 7 inches. I'm gonna take this off so I can show you in closer detail how beautifully it's constructed. So while I'm taking this off, let me start by saying that I typically wear lace front monofilament. So this actually is my first silk top and I am adjusting to it. It is very different getting it on your head and blending it with your hair. I would say that for me, at least, the lace front monofilament is much easier to blend. But the silk top is so beautifully constructed and it just feels so much hardier. So here's a close-up of the cap. This is 6.5 by 7 inches. Please ignore my ugly fingernails. I have a newborn and I have no time, so they look hideous. Anyways, this has 4 pressure-sensitive clips and then this top clip that slides into your hair to secure it more firmly. I find it a little bit harder to blend my hair with a silk top like this. I tend to like to pull my hair back, and the silk top is much more heavy on the hair in the front here, especially with 130% density. So it does give you that full, beautiful look of hair. It has the face framing. It has everything that you need as if you just got a new haircut. And one of the bigger differences between this and a monofilament is that you have no return hairs because it's all sewn and closed into the cap here. So it is very natural looking. I find the part to be much more natural looking, obviously, than a monofilament. You can't see anything. It looks like a natural scalp. So this piece is so beautifully made. It feels so hardy. It's constructed extremely well. This is the top secret human hair topper from UniWigs.